Welcome to another episode of This Old Deer Camp. I'm Colton Thornton, and my buddy over there is sleeping. And he's a loud snorer. I tell you, he's like a loud ass snorer. So we're gonna check him out. Let's go.
During this time, the cameras moved a lot, so just overlook that and just remember, I didn't know what you're doing. We're trying to get him situated to kill a turkey. We're telling him, don't shoot until we get ready to record.
I think he's kind of drunk a little bit too.
The camera was on. We did capture a lot of stuff inside. Just some raw footage.
Either way, we're just gonna sit here and hear his loud ass snoring.
You know, it's kind of ironic that, I took him on his last turkey. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching Bodacious Outdoors TV.
That's basically what all of our deer hunters are like, really snoring. Well, you met Jeff Crawford, and we're here on This Old Deer Camp. See you later. See you then.